David, I don't know. I think I'll have to try it.
I will definitely try it. Which flavor? Caramel?
I'll try each of them.
Yeah, that's true. I think vanilla might taste good too.
Yeah.
Well, we're going to be seeing a nice one today. Get outside and enjoy it, at least the morning hours. Good evening. I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist David Siple, along with Chief Meteorologist Kevin Orper. Tornado warning for Lawrence County in Illinois. We'll go ahead and go straight to Storm Team 10 Storm Tracker.
Hintless.
Well, I do have to apologize to all our viewers eating breakfast right now or drinking their coffee. You know, that's probably not a sight to wake up to on a Monday morning.
That's the image.
44 here in Sherman, but off behind me, there's Ellie. She's been on the ice for about a good 30 minutes to an hour, but I haven't seen her fall once. I'm close to that. Add in a burning house that's about 1,200 degrees Fahrenheit to the summertime heat, and you can quickly become overheated and dehydrated. Very dangerous conditions. If you see things like this on a roadway, do not drive through it. It can take 6 inches of fast-moving water to sweep a human off their feet. Coming up, I have a few tips on ways to beat the heat during those dog days of summer. And your back seat is empty before leaving. In my truck, I'm Storm Team 10 meteorologist David Siple. Back to you. Over here, I have 4 balloons representing the percentage of Earth's top 4 elements and compounds. In some areas, we saw even up to 2 inches of rain, and depending on where you were relative to the very strong storms. To help us see this visually, let's take a bird's eye view of the solar system. When the Earth travels around the sun, so the sun's rays actually come into the Earth's atmosphere. Now, greenhouse gases actually trap the heat. If we see some sun tomorrow, it will be rather hazy. The sunset and the sunrise will be very beautiful as well. If you have any pictures, make sure to send it our way. But Pauls Valley, Ada, going into areas on the west, going into the 30s. A lot of rain still falling, a lot of rain still to come throughout the day. We're likely to see about 1 inch, maybe 2 more inches of rain on top of what we've already seen. Greene County this afternoon. That's why we could be seeing some flooding issues in those areas. So do not drive through flooded roadways. Cold front that will be moving through, and with 60-degree temperatures and a sharp cutoff of very cold air and warm air, could see some stronger storms with this. 36 degrees, 35 Robinson, Linton 34, down at Vincennes, still at that freezing mark, but don't worry, we have 60s in the forecast. 32 Mattoon, Casey, that's where we could see maybe a slick spot or two, especially on bridges and overpasses. Good Saturday morning. Here's a live look. Our News 10 photojournalist Quentin Marshall out at Deming Park this morning. It is cold out, very cloudy as well, but when you step out the door, be sure to bundle up. I know whenever I stepped out the door this morning, I was not wearing enough. I needed that real heavy jacket, but temperatures are in the mid-40s right now. Bundle up. 40 in Rockville, 42 in Brazil, 46 Bloomington, 42 in Robinson, 38 in Mattoon, 39 in Effingham at this hour. So a cold start, and it's feeling even cooler out there because of the north wind speed we are seeing. 10 miles per hour out of the north in Paris, 8 miles per hour in Terrace, 10 in Olney. So you factor that into the temperature. It feels cold out there. Feels like 31 in Mattoon, 35 Effingham, feels like 41 Terre Haute, 36 in Rockville. So the big change from yesterday morning to this morning, we were in the 60s waking up Friday morning, but now we're into the mid-40s, upper 30s in some areas. So we're seeing about a 20, maybe even some areas 30-degree change from yesterday. So bundle up when you head on out the door. We are being dominated by high pressure. That is what is sending in that very cold north air around that high pressure ridge, but we are seeing a little bit of cloud cover here in the Wabash Valley. We're taking a look at radar satellite. No rain to speak of in our area, but you can see very closely some cloud cover reaching from a northern Indiana into Lake Michigan. And why are we seeing that? Well, these clouds are coming from Lake Michigan. The water temperature in Lake Michigan is into the mid-50s, while the surrounding air temperature very cold, 39 in Chicago, 43 in Michigan City. So what is happening? That warm water is evaporating into the atmosphere, and it condensates, essentially making cloud cover. And that north wind, that's the green lines there, that is sending the cloud cover into the Wabash Valley. The good news is once we warm up, though, we'll start to see that cloud cover break and give way to more sunshine
for the rest of your day. By 3 o'clock, we'll have mostly sunny skies, 52 degrees northeast wind though, 10 miles per hour, so it will feel rather chilly the rest of your Saturday. Looking at the futurecast now, we'll see that cloud cover dissipate today as mentioned. For tonight though, we will increase cloud cover, maybe a stray sprinkle to the southeast. This is 2 o'clock in the morning to Sunday. As we wake up tomorrow morning for Sunday, will be mostly cloudy. Very low chance of rain for Sunday. I'll keep it out of the forecast for now, but overall our next best chance of rain does come in on Monday. This is early Monday morning, and then Monday afternoon into the evening hours we will see scattered to possibly even heavy rainfall, especially to the south. No storms expected, just some heavy rainfall, maybe 1.5 inches in our heaviest rainfall portions of the storms, or of the showers to the south in our southern region. But our forecast for tonight though, 38 degrees, another chilly one indeed. Keep the heat on. It's going to be cold. 52 tomorrow, staying in the lower 50s. These are all well below average high temperatures that we will see the rest of the week. Normally we're about 64 degrees, but Sunday 52 on Monday. We'll see that 70% chance of rain end there on Tuesday, 50 degrees with a 20% chance in the morning. Heather?